Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL WP36 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar. To do that, open calendar application, where we can change view for a month to be easily to add. Now we must tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 22 of May, and there this plus icon and event. First step, we can add title of our event. There we can add event to our family group or friends group on Gmail. In this case, we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day. Repeat of that, maybe every day, every month, what you need and prefer. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. We can add location of that, notification to event, maybe 2 days before, and we can add more than one. We can change color, which we see in our calendar, and description and attachment. After you add all you need, you mustn't add all, you can only do what you need. We press save, and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!